So, how can you minimize installation errors due to incorrect torquing? To address this, Hilti has introduced the new adaptive torque system for HST3 torque-controlled expansion anchors.
The adaptive torque technology consists more or less of three parts. It is our cordless impact tool, the SEW6AT. We have a module which is transferring the data to the tool, and we have our software which provides the possibility to the specifier to check all conditions how a metal expansion anchor from Hilti was installed.
So the question is, how do you apply the right torque value with Hilti's adaptive torque system?
The installer has two possibilities. Either he scans the barcode on the package, or he puts the anchor which he wants to install into the display. The RT technology ensures that the torque is applied in a correct way. All these data during the installation process are stored and can be saved on a laptop, while the specifier has a possibility to check the data of every individual anchor.
This information can be easily recalled, providing a simple, comprehensive and highly reliable report for post-installation inspection.
The reliability of the RT tool technology was tested in more than 10,000 tests under all conditions which can occur on site. Consequently, the RT tool technology is part of the approval of our HST metal expansion family.
The Hilti Adaptive Torque System is the only ETA and ICC ESR approved electronic installation system for torque-controlled expansion anchors. By specifying the installation of Hilti HST3 anchors using the SIW6AT A22 impact wrench and SI-AT module, design engineers and specifiers can secure the correct implementation of their design specifications on site. The combined benefits of Hilti's adaptive torque system include eliminating gut-feeling safety factor during design, avoiding additional design work in the construction phase due to wrongly torqued anchors, and reducing the risk of accidents during and after construction has been completed. The result is an overall more economical design and a higher level of control during the construction process, which increases building safety and durability.
Now you have the possibility to specify the anchor and specify the RT tool. And with this combination, you can be sure that your design will be implemented on site in a correct way.